Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new video. And on today's video, I will be showing you how to recover eBay account's password. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your desktop, open up any web browser that you prefer and on the search URL, type in ebay.com. You will land on this page. Now, in order to recover your password, first of all, you have to get into login page. For that, click on the sign in button from the upper left corner next to daily deals. You will land on your login page. From here, under the sign in button, you will get a link that says need help signing in. Click on there. Now you will receive an email on your account. So click on receive email. Now you have to open your Gmail on your device and then look for an email from eBay. Open up your email and then copy the code that is sent to you and head back to eBay and paste your code over here. Once you're done, click and continue. Here you can enter your new password. Make sure you remember your new password. After that, click and continue and your password has been reset. So that's how you can reset your eBay account password. I hope this video helped you, and if you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you for watching again. I will see you on next video.